students, welcome to SGI online classes of chemistry by Anamika Sachan. Today is the revision class of chemistry. The topic of today is IUPAC of alcohol functional group, which is related to chapter carbon and its compound. So now we start IUPAC of alcohol functional group. Firstly, I'll tell you what alcohol functional group, which type of symbol is present, that is the symbol of representation is OH. If any hydrocarbon compound having OH functional group, that is why we can say that this hydrocarbon contain alcohol as a functional group. Students, remember that in alcohol last two word O and L. That is last two word O and L used in a IUPAC as the position of suffix. In suffix position we use all. So students, the general formula of alcohol is CnH2n plus 1 OH, where OH is a alcohol functional group and here N is a number of carbon. If number of carbon N is 1, number of carbon N is 2, number of carbon N is 3. So what is the formula of alcohol? So students, if number of carbon is 1, put this value in this general formula Cn, N is a 1, that is why second one 2 into 1 plus 1 OH. So formula is CH3OH. That is the general formula of first number of alcohol, which is known as methanol. Students, the IUPAC name of this compound is methanol. Students, why we use meth? Because number of carbon is 1. Why we use ane? Because carbon to carbon having single bond, that is why we use ane. Why we use all? Because it consider OH as a functional group. Second one, if the number of carbon is 2, so the formula of C2H5OH, C3H7OH. The IUPAC name of this is ethanol. Why? Because number of carbon is 2, that is why we use 8. It have single bond between of carbon to carbon atom, that is why we use ane. It have OH as a functional group, that is why we use all. Third number, if number of carbon is 3, that is why we use prop. It have single bond, that is why we use ane. It have OH as a functional group, that is why we use all. I hope you all are understood this. Now we start the naming of IUPAC in alcohol functional group. Student, the first problem of alcohol functional group is this. That is the first hydrocarbon compound of alcohol functional group, which have alcohol functional group, that is the alcohol functional group. Students, alcohol functional group found in second position when we count the number of carbon in that position 1, 2 and 3 and 4. If we count the position from this side, the position of functional group is 3, that is why we count from this position. It have 4 number of carbon 1, 2, 3 and 4, that is why we use but. Students, carbon to carbon having single bond, that is why we use A. Students, it have OH functional group, alcohol functional group in second position. That is why we use 2. 2 is the position of alcohol functional group and the representation of all. So IUPAC of this organic compound is butane 2-ol. The second problem is what is the IUPAC of this hydrocarbon compound? So students, it have 3 number of carbon, 1, 2 and 3. Parent alkane is 3, that is why we use prop. It have double bond from first carbon and second one carbon, between our first and second carbon, that is why we use E. Students, in first carbon atom having OH, that is why we use 1-ol. If we don't use 1, so IUPAC name is prop-enol. I hope you understood these IUPAC very well. If you have any problem about this topic which is related to alcohol functional group, then you are saying what's your problem, discuss to me in my next doubt clearing classes. Now I'll discuss the third problem of IUPAC, that is most important, which is related from the board. Third problem is students, that is your third problem of alcohol functional group. We start the counting from this side, and 2 and 3 and 4. If we start IUPAC from this, we have counting from this side. Why? Because it have 2 functional group, OH and Cl. Cl is a chlorofunctional group which is in halogen functional group. It have 4 number of carbon, but carbon to carbon having single bond, that is why we use ene. From first and fourth position having OH functional group, that is why we use di 1,4 di-ol. For OH we use ol. That is the rule of IUPAC. First member of capital letter and another of in a small letter. We have halogen functional group, that is the prefix number. In second position 2 chloro. So IUPAC of this organic compound is 2-chlorobutane 1,4 di-ol. Thank you. Have a nice day.